This here's just an update on my iPad digitizer replacement. Uh, I put it all together. It would not reboot. I did it last night. I tried everything. I took it back apart, put it together, recharged it, and I looked at some more videos, and they were stressing how delicate many of the parts are. And I'm not a real delicate person, so I thought I blew it. But I did look at, I thought, let me research some more. So I looked at another video, and one tip that was critical for me, I thought I wasted a $400 piece of equipment, but it's called a hard reboot or a hard start or something like that. You hold your button on the face and also the other button on the side. You hold them simultaneously, hold them in till you see the Apple icon. And so I did that, and the Apple icon appeared, and it must have took 3 or 4 minutes. I don't know if it's resetting everything or what it's doing, but the screen actually popped on. Works great. Uh, Cost me $38 for the digitizer. So I saved a $400 piece of equipment to the delight of my wife. I was going to just give her mine because she's new into computers and she uses it a lot. That was just an update. The hard start at the end is critical, and they classify it as a 5 out of 5 for expertise in doing it. And I'm not an expert. I know I'm just kind of a mechanical type person, but it can be done. You just have to watch those videos and go slow. That is the key thing. You can cut some stuff in there when you're removing it that are glued to the screen and to the frame. So if you have an iPad, you break it, you can fix it. I've seen a lot of them broke too. Okay, I'm out of here. I got to go to work. By the way, yesterday at work, I stepped on a nail, went clear through my tennis shoe, through my foot, and it hurts really bad. But I got to go to work. I need to make some money. See ya.